Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, the quickest way to summarize today's price movement in trading terminology is just a total gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap if maybe you're new to charts? So on Wednesday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened right there, hence the gap up. And then after the gap up, the price actually did move a little bit higher, and I think some poor souls bought right there. And then from that point forward, it was all bears the remainder of the day. So like I said, looking at today individually, best way to summarize it would just be a gap and trap. Now it's just a question of, can the price get any sort of return, not necessarily right back up to the highs, but at least start to show some signs of bullishness. And the first sign of bullishness, which was definitely from a charting perspective, very important, was the price was able to actually hold up above that pink line there. So actually, let me get the green line out of the way there. So that pink line there on my chart represents the very famous 200 period moving average. And that's one of those areas on a chart where even if you have a basic understanding of charts, usually people have heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, it tends to act as support. And that's exactly what happened here. It did a good job of holding that support. So you got to give credit where credit's due. And that's also why going forward, this 91 cent mark, very, very important, because if the price were to drop below that level, first off, it's just simply the price breaking down below the 200 period moving average, which in and of itself, not a good sign. But that would also imply then that the price is down in this area of the chart. And why is that significant? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was before the big movement to the upside. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So for those various reasons, 91 cents, definitely very, very important going forward from the support side of things. Looking at things from the resistance side, if there is any sort of bounce, that $1.10 mark going to be that key level. But like I said, in my mind right now, top priority is whether or not the price can stay above 91 cents. So let's see what happens with it on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.